better be recording. Yeah, I'm going to the door, Nessie.
Maybe it'll fall in the direction of the shed and it won't hit anything but the shed and the shed will hold it up.
That would be miraculous.
That would be lovely and we wouldn't lose our power or anything. That would be great.
There it goes. There it goes.
Not quite. But she's a goner for sure. And the irony, the horseshoe.
I know.
Give it the toilet paper.
If I miss this thing falling down because of you,
I'm recording it. I'm pausing it in between.
wow, look at that. There it goes. There it goes. Down. Bam.
The lines. We still have electricity.
And we still have electricity.
And the fence is dead.
We lost a portion of our fence.
We still have electricity.
Yes, we do.
Holy crap.
Somebody lost something. Do we have phone?
Yep.
How did that
Wow.
happen?
That's amazing.
Time is-
That was perfect. I got that all on video, too.
So did I. Time to start saving for the fence. I'm serious.
Oh, God, what about the dog?
We can take care of that.
Yeah.
I guess.
It didn't even hit the shed. Oh, my God.
You gonna call IPA?
Yeah. They asked to call back too.
Okay, we didn't lose our electricity, but somebody did.
Yeah.
But at least the lines are. All right, I'm gonna send this to Mark.
I'm putting this on Facebook.